Hello everyone and welcome to new weekly Forex ideas video. Please know that this is not a trading advice as I am only sharing with you my view and analysis on the best trading opportunities for the coming week and month. Let's start with the British pound versus the Canadian dollar. This pair has been in a strong bullish trend since last August, forming some higher highs and higher lows until price hit major resistance area at 1.7775, then followed by a strong drop in price. If we go to the monthly time frame, we'll find that December's candle closed with a bearish pin bar at a monthly major resistance zone 1.7780. We can see that this area served as resistance for a long time with those highs over here and even support with those lows. So this is a major monthly resistance zone over here. And we can see that last time we had the same signal at the same level with this bearish pin bar over here, followed by a 3-month bearish market, a downtrend market. This shows how strong a monthly pin bar signal is for a price direction. So now we may have a chance of a trend reversal over here, and personally I will be only looking to sell this market during the coming weeks. Let's go back to the daily time frame. Currently price is sitting on daily support zone at 1.6985. So ideally we should wait for a retracement to resistance zone at 1.7215 area, then wait for a price action signal to sell this market. Or wait for a breakout, then a retest for this level 1.6985 to act as resistance and sell the market after a selling price action signal. Next we have the British pound versus the Swiss franc. Again over here we got a similar signal on the monthly time frame like the British pound versus the Canadian dollar with a bearish pin bar at a major resistance zone area at 1.3330. We can see that this area acts as resistance with those highs over here and support with this low. So this is a major monthly resistance zone over here. And to see how powerful monthly pin bars are, look at the bullish pin bar that got printed last August at 1.1695 support area, followed by a 3-month uptrend market. So are we about to see a downtrend market over here? It seems like an indicator that British pound is more likely to drop during the coming weeks. Now on the daily time frame, price is stuck between support zone 1.2670 and resistance zone 1.2855 area. So personally I would prefer to wait for a breakout lower from support, then wait for a retest for it to hold as resistance to sell this market after a price action signal. In that case our next support area will be at 1.2460. However, if price broke up higher through this resistance, then our next resistance zone to be selling this market is at 1.3115 area. Next we have the Australian dollar versus the USD. Since price hit this level last August, and this pair has been ranging between support area at 0.6675 and resistance area at 0.6870. So this is the range price has been trading in for the last 4 months. But finally 2 weeks ago we got a close above the confluence of trend line resistance and horizontal resistance 0.6870 with that candle over here, followed by a strong bullish move to the next resistance zone 0.7035 area, which held nicely and sellers came in to push price lower, forming a weekly bearish pin bar at this level. However, I will ignore this signal as my buys now will be to the upside, and this signal is considered counter trend and I don't want to be trading against a fresh trend over here. Let's move to the daily time frame. So now, ideally, I will wait for a buy signal after a retracement for the daily support zone at 0.6925 to go long after a price action signal, or even lower at 0.6870 to join the uptrend and retest resistance zone 0.7035 one more time. Next we have the euro versus the New Zealand dollar. This market has been bearish for a while now, especially since price broke down through this 2017 uptrend line support over here. If we zoom out, we will find that this uptrend line started with this first swing low in 2017, has been respected nicely with a couple of touches over here. But lately we got a break lower through this trend line support and a break lower through horizontal support area 1.68. So after those two breakouts, I can consider this as a well-defined downtrend market that started since last October over here, forming lower lows and lower highs nicely. And now price is about to retrace back to old support 1.68 to test it as new resistance. So this is a good area to be looking for a sell signal on the daily time frame or a lower time frame to join the downtrend. And test support area one more time at 1.6560 or even lower. However, if price broke higher and this resistance area failed to hold, then our next resistance zone to be selling this market is at 1.7015 area. Finally, we have the euro versus the Swiss franc. This pair has been ranging since last August between weekly support zone 1.0835 area and resistance zone at 1.1055 area. We can see that price is swinging nicely between those two levels, especially with pin bar signals. We can see after we got the first bounce over here, afterwards we got a bullish pin bar signal that sent the price higher. Afterwards we got a bearish pin bar signal that pushed the price lower. And then we got a bullish pin bar signal for the price to go higher. And then another bearish pin bar signal that sent the price lower. Currently we are sitting on the weekly support zone and price printed a bullish pin bar signal. So are we about to see a move higher to retest the top of the range and resistance zone 1.1055 area? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.